Quadco is a manufacturer of felling heads. So we are a big player in the industry of forestry equipment. We are manufacturing very big products, so we are always facing problems to manipulate the parts. We have a bay where we installed a robot welder, and we wanted the assemblers to be able to work safely and in an efficient way to feed the robot. So we decided to go with Gorbel overhead cranes. So we have three working stations, three Gorbel working stations, three independent bays sharing the same structure. And over this there is a big 5-ton crane to move the parts from the assembly bay to the robot welder. Before that we had only the one big crane, so the assemblers were always waiting for the crane or lifting heavy parts by themselves. Now with the setup that we have, we are able to have each assembler working efficiently without waiting for the other employees to finish their job. We like the fact that we were able to design the crane based on our process. We decided to go with a design with no beams in front of the station. So that allows to go with the big crane inside the small bay to get a part to bring it somewhere else. So that is a really big advantage of the setup that we have. We were able to install the curtain between the station to protect from welding, flash and everything directly on the structure of the crane. So it's safer and looks good. We really like the design of the Gorbel crane compared to jib crane because we are not dependent of the strength of the concrete slab. The employees like to use the cranes. They say they are easy to move, and they feel safer also because there is no cantilever parts or no tension on the concrete floor. So yes, they like to use it, and we are really happy with that.